Welcome guys. Talking here is Mr. Ramshai. Right, what am I doing here? I'm just here to introduce everyone to my online classes. So in this video, my aim is not to waste too much of time. I just want to elaborate more on what is it that I'm going to offer and then what is it that I'm going to be doing. All right, so the aim of this is to introduce my online classes. Right, let me take you through what is it that I'm going to do. Right, what you see on the screen here, I will be offering online classes. Right, my online classes, they will take place on the Microsoft Teams. Right, so there will be only two subjects that I will be offering. I will be offering accounting and mathematical literacy. Right, so I won't be choosing grades here. I won't be focusing on one grade. I will be looking at 3 grades. I will be looking at accounting from grade 10 up until grade 12. I will be looking at mathematical literacy from grade 10 to 12. Right guys, if you can see here, let me do this. If you can see here guys, these are my available time slot. Are we together guys? So that means on Monday from 7 p.m. up until 11 p.m. I will be having sessions. It will depend. I will draft a timetable whereby I will also show you guys. On this time, that is when I will be offering my sessions. It will depend that I'm seeing grade 10 maths lit or grade 10 accounting or grade 12 maths lit or grade 12 accounting. So if you join me, I will let you know that on Monday we are attending this, Thursday we are attending this, Saturday we are attending this, Sunday we are attending this. So this will be my available slots, right? So what happens with this slot is that each person, I'm going to see them 2 times a week. If you join me and you're doing grade 10 accounting, that means I will see you 2 times a week. And how are the charges or the rates going? What will I be charging? I will be charging my learners here. I will be charging 500 per person per month. I will be charging 500 per person per month. For how many sessions? For 8 sessions. 2 sessions per week multiplied by 4 weeks a month. Therefore, we'll see each individual, or I will broadcast a lesson with my client 2 times a week for the whole month. Alright, so it will depend on my slot, where I slot you guys. If I slot you on Monday, that means on Monday I will see you. Then there's a possibility that I see you on Thursday or Sunday. It doesn't matter, but then if you join me, then I will tell you what to do. Right, to join me guys is simple. You just go to your WhatsApp, you type join classes to these numbers. Right, you can only WhatsApp me on these numbers. Then I will tell you, I will brief you more on what is happening and how am I offering my sessions. Correct? Let me take you to what is it that I'm going to do. What are my purposes of these online classes? Right? Correct. Right. These are my purposes of my online classes. I want to develop strong academics. No learner of mine that is going to attend my classes and that learner is going to fail. That one I guarantee that no learner is going to fail. After attending my classes, there is no learner that is going to fail. Right. What else do we do? I want to equip my student with greater knowledge. That's what I'm going to do. Nothing less, nothing more. I just want to give my learners a greater knowledge. That's it. What we offered, like I said what we offer on our online classes, we offer accounting from grade 10 to 12, We offer mathematical literacy from grade 10 to 12. Okay, I made a mistake here. It was supposed to be 12. It is supposed to be 10 to 12. Right, it's fine. 10 to 12. 10 to 12, not 10 to 10. 10 to 12. Correct. Right. What do you guys see here is that in grade 10, when you join me under grade 10, just know that the topics that will be covered in grade 10 are accounting. These are my only two favorite subjects that I master. So, in grade 10, these are the topics to be covered. Join me and we all going to do these topics, right? Informal or indigenous bookkeeping, internal ethics, GAPS, bookkeeping of the sole trader, bookkeeping of the sole trader, credit transactions. We're gonna cover all these topics, right? All these topics that I show here are all the topics that I'm going to cover, right? I'll cover up until budget, right? What am I going to do here? I'm not just going to tell you what is a budget, what is a VAT. What are we going to do here? We're going to do practice. I will also give questions whereby I'm going to do them together with my learners, show them how do we approach questions, how do we approach this ledger account, everything in this topic that I've listed here, I'm going to do them. Correct? Right, let's move to grade 11, right? Right, same thing. In grade 11, we're going to cover all these topics. Right, all you need to do is just to type join my classes to those numbers that I gave you, and then what is going to happen is that I will tell you what do we do and how do we get these things done, right? Right, let's move to grade 12 accounting. Right, in grade 11, I'm in grade 12 again. All these topics that you see here are the topics that we will be covering, guys. I'm not even going to miss any topic here. So, all the materials needed, question papers and everything, the information regarding those topics, I have them. All you do, join my classes, everything will be discussed there, right? Let's move to Maths Lit. Right, on Maths Lit, we're gonna cover all these topics, right? These topics that we're going to do here are based on an ATP, right? ATP for grade 10. And if you're gonna check the ATP for grade 10, these are all the topics that I'm going to cover here, right? In grade 11, we're doing the same. We cover all these topics, right? If you look at under finance, I just wrote finance there, but finance has a lot of subtopics, so don't worry about it. You will see how we're gonna do this one, right? Let's move to Maths Lit grade 10. I mean grade 12, right? Maths Lit, let me move this here. Correct, right? Maths Lit grade 12. I just wrote finance, and I also wrote data handling, finance again, measurement, maps, and plans, probabilities. Right, under finance, we're having a lot of topics. We're having a lot of subtopics. So I just wrote finance here, but we are having a lot of subtopics here. Okay, let me mention a few. We are having financial documents that we're going to cover. We're having taxations that we're going to cover. We're having tariffs that we're going to cover. We're having income and expenditure, and as well as budget. We are having interest. The interest rate is going to be under this finance. The interest rate and banking is going to be under this this finance here, because I'm having two finance here. This one, it will cover the first topic that I talked about, and then this one will cover interest rate, banking, and loans. They will be under this finance. But then this finance here, I'm going to talk about the financial documents, tariffs, taxation, and what else did I miss? Income and expenditure, budget, cost price, selling price, and the break-even analysis. Right, then our next topic is gonna be data handling. Right, data handling is straightforward. There is no other subtopics here. I will just here what are we going to do? We're going to do all the steps for data handling, starting from collecting the data and interpret. The last step will be interpreting and representing the data. Right, the fourth topic for Mathlead Grade 12, it will be measurement. Straightforward topic here. And then we're also going to have maps and plans. Then our last topic is going to be probabilities. Right, what we're going to do here, join my classes, I will tell you more on what is it that you're going to do. Right, all you need to do right now, just check my videos on YouTube here again. Just watch out for my videos here. I'm going to post a video here. Check under my videos, you're going to see another video whereby I will be teaching a random topic. Doesn't matter, it will be grade 10 or grade 11, Mathlead or accounting. Just check on how do I teach, so that you know that as a parent, you'll know that your learner is in good hands. And if you are a learner watching this video, you know that the information that you're going to get is this one. Okay, I thank you guys. So continue watching my videos on YouTube, check out on them. For more information, you do this, you just come here, you type join class to this. Or if you don't want to join, you just want information before you can join, what you do, you just come to my WhatsApp numbers and then you ask me what is it that I'm offering, what is it that I'm doing. I thank you guys.